Teach the alphabets easily with phonics sounds. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cookie. D is for daddy. E is for egg. F is for funny. G is for go. H is for happy. I is for in. J is for juice. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for run. S is for snake. T is for tiger. U is for up. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for box. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Struggling to teach your child the alphabet? Imagine a method that's simple, engaging, and helps kids recognize letters and sounds effortlessly. With phonics, children not only learn the alphabet faster but also start speaking more confidently. Let's dive into how phonics can make learning effective. Join us as we explore the best way to teach alphabets using phonics sound. Thank you.